Okay guys, so I recently found this app right here and I've actually completed some tasks and I've reached the minimum withdrawal, which is 3 cents, and I would like to try this app right here in this video. I just found this app on Play Store and I decided to try it. So I'll be placing the withdrawal straight to my PayPal. Okay, so I'm using this method. So guys, this is right here. I'm going to click on this and input my PayPal address. Okay, so this is my PayPal address right here. So this is my PayPal account right here. So now it's added. So now I'm going to place the withdrawal. I'm going to be placing the withdrawal. Okay, click on start transaction, agree with terms, and I'll read this. Okay, I'll click on confirm transaction. Okay, so now I've placed the withdrawal and I'm gonna be waiting for it. So if I receive it, my PayPal, you know that this app is actually legit. So guys, I'm going to head over to my PayPal. I might receive it now on. Okay, sorry, it's still under review. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for some time. If I receive it, I'm gonna update you guys on that. So guys, this app is just all about completing a task. So guys, when you accumulate money on this app, if you look right here, you're going to see hodl R. That's when you accumulate money. This just like an interest on the balance you've accumulated. So guys, when you look right here, you're going to see the task list. That you see several tasks you can complete here. The minimum withdrawal here is 500 papa coins. So here you can see different tasks you can complete here, several list of tasks, and the more you complete tasks, the more tasks are given to you. Tasks here are never finished. No matter when you come, there are always tasks to be completed. So guys, if you want to cash out on this app real fast, you have to go for this install task, this social task, and the rest of it. And every day you have the freedom to claim daily rewards on this app. You can as well watch videos. You can watch videos to claim reward. You also have the survey section. This is a complete survey. As you can see right here, I don't have any survey available yet. Then this is the wallet section where you have this wallet section, and right here, this is where you have your transaction histories. This is what I've been completing for. So guys, when I receive my reward, when I receive my withdrawal, I'm going to update you guys on that because my withdrawal is still pending. Now on this network section, this is where you have your referral parts. Like when you refer someone, when you refer your friend, you get percentage of your friend's video rewards and 20% of other rewards your friend makes. That's when you use the referral code of your friend. That's look at where you input your referral code. When you tap on this set referral, you input a referral code. Then when you put it, you have the opportunity to earn 12 papa coins on this app. So guys, I'll be leaving my referral code pinned in the comment section. You can go ahead to use my referral code and have this 12 papa as your startup bonus. Although you'll be given a startup bonus of up to about 100 papa coins. Look right here, you see my requested reward. It says status request approved, and they are now working on the transfer. So I'm going to wait for some time to receive the transfer. I've received the transfer in just less than 2 minutes of applying for the withdrawal. So guys, let's head over to my PayPal app. So guys, if you look closely, you can see the cash out here, 0.37. That's 37 cents in total. It's right here, 37 cents. That's my PayPal is a UK PayPal, and I cashed out in dollars. So it was converted from dollars to pounds. Okay, so you can see right here I received the money. Right here I received it. So guys, if you would love to try out this app, I'll be leaving the app's name and my referral code in the comment section. Do well to check it out and make the most out of this app. If you enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, do well to hit that subscription button and give a like to this video. Thank you.